Let me ask you a question. What would it be like to learn Power BI skills that may help to advance your career? Learning Power BI may be tough. You probably spend hours searching the web for quality Power BI training videos. Are you interested in learning Power BI skills from the comfort of your home or office? What if you can learn how to create 2 Power BI dashboards in less than 3 hours? Learn how to create a mini sales dashboard, add slices and various graph types. It is easy to create a finance dashboard. Use many DAX functions and formulas and custom visuals to create the finance dashboard. Create dynamic and custom date tables quickly and easily by using the Power BI query editor. Learn how to create DAX functions such as what-if statements, week-to-date, month-to-date, and year-to-date formulas. Learn how to use the Infographic designer to create stunning visuals. Make sure that your Power BI files are always up to date with fresh information. I've added videos that will show you step by step how to sync and refresh files by using the OneDrive for Business. As a bonus, you will be able to download all the Power BI.PBIX files. Learn at your own pace in the comfort of your home or office. So let's get to work. I will see you soon in the next lecture.